Good morning, Anupam. So we are going to start a new topic, which is nothing but purchasing transactions. So purchasing transactions, we all external purchasing transactions we are talking about, including the PR also internal transaction. So PR, RFQ, request for quotation and quotation, PO, purchase order. RFQ is external purchasing document. Quotation is also external. PO, contract, scheduling agreement. These are all external purchasing document, and PR is internal. So we are going to see here, how we'll configure the number ranges for PO, right? And for the purchase requisition based upon the business requirement. Okay. So purchasing, we can procure material or services from external vendor or from an internal plant in standard procurement process or consignment subcontracting third party. Okay. So we need to know the purchasing transactions. Okay, types of purchasing transaction we have. See, purchase equation, which is nothing but internal purchasing document, right? And RFQ, external vendor purchasing document. Quotation is also external vendor purchasing document. PO is also same, external vendor purchasing document. And contract, that is also external purchasing vendor purchasing document. Scheduling agreement, external vendor purchasing document. So we have document type, as we know. For PO, for a normal PO, what is the document type? NB, right? NB, and same for the PR also, document type is NB. So it is a control function at header level in purchasing document and controls the following areas. Like they may ask in interview, what is the document type in PO, and it controls what? Same like in material master, we have material type, right? Material type controls what? Number ranges, field selection, right? Here also same thing. Document type controls number ranges, field selection. These two things are coming into picture in vendor master also. In vendor master account group, right? That account group controls number ranges, field selection. And in material master also material type controls number ranges, field selection. Here also in PO, document type will control number ranges, field selection, which field to be made as mandatory, required, optional, okay, and which item categories to be allowed or not. Okay, so let me show you item category. So here let me go to one PO, okay, ME 21N. Okay, so one more point you need to understand, this is something different which is not there in material master and vendor master, right? Which item category to be allowed or not. Let's say for example I am taking NB, standard PO. Okay, this is document type, no? We are talking about document type, right? Document type controls what? With respect to any document type, okay, UB or NB, whatever it is. If I select NB, which is standard, then item category will be this much of item category we can see here. If you open this, standard is there, limit, consignment, subcontracting, third party, okay, text to transfer service, okay. Whereas if I select another document type, let's say UB, what is that? Is nothing but stock transport order, okay. Then the item category will be different. It will not be that much, which we have seen in NBC. It will be only one. You stock transport. So what is controlling? Who is controlling this? Document type. Document type controls which item category to be allowed or not. Okay. Let's say for example, if you take, let's say for example, if you take another document type, what is that? Framework order, right? For service view, right? FO, FO, framework order. If you select this, then what will be the item category? It will be D, service. See, D, service. Okay. So this one point you need to understand. Document type controls which item category to be allowed or not. Okay. Yeah. So item category, it defines how the line item procurement has to be controlled. The item has to procure in standard process. So if nothing is there, it is standard, right? If nothing we are selecting, it will be by default standard only, right? Okay. Or consignment. If it is consignment, then we need to select K, right? Let's say for NB, if it is subcontracting, it will be L, right? So yeah, so many things are there here. See, yeah. Or third party. If it is third party, already we have seen, right? In special procurement process, we have created third party also, right? PO. There we selected S. If you select S, then account assignment category also you need to select one, right? One is nothing but third party. See here, one third party, okay? like this. Now we need to understand the item category is a control function at item level, but not at header level. Okay, item category, item level. So purchasing document category, we need to understand what is purchasing document category. Already I have shown you. If you go to ME5A or ME2N, okay, let's say ME5A, this is list of here. Okay, go here. If you want to see in detail purchasing document category, okay, then you need to click this dynamic selection. Okay, open this purchase requisition, and here you have purchasing document category. Okay, open this. Okay, now see here there are so many purchasing document category. If you open this, this is what I have mentioned here in my notes. Okay, yeah, that's what. See here. A means request for quotation. Document type is different. Document category, purchasing document category is different. Don't be confused. If the interviewer will ask what is the purchasing document category for PR, it should be B. The answer should be B. Okay. If the interviewer will ask what is the purchasing document category for PO, that is F. Don't say NB. That is document type. Okay. Yeah. So we need to understand this. For RFQ it is A, purchase requisition is B, and purchase order is F, and info record is I, K is contract, L is scheduling agreement, Q is service entry sheet, W is source list. Okay. What is the ticket for source list? MA01, right? Already we have created a source list. Yeah. So I mentioned here you will find all these document category in ME2N and ME5A. Okay. So here in ME2N also you can see purchasing document category. So if you go to ME, what is ME2N? List of PO, right? Similarly, go to selection, dynamic selection, okay, and open this purchasing document category. You will be finding this all, okay. But you can see more in ME5A. Okay, here only 4 we can see, but there we can see many. Yeah. So now item category, how to customize your own item category. Okay, so go to SPRO, SAP reference and the menu part. Okay, or else the T code is S underscore ALR underscore 87001577. It will take you to item category. Okay, this is just now we have seen. Okay, these are the item categories. Okay, or else if you go through menu path, then go with SPRO, SAP project, SAP reference IMG, materials management. Okay, purchasing, define external representation of item categories. Okay, see here it is. So this is what 0 is standard. These things we need to understand. Select each item category, hold and click detail button and observe selected control function. So let's say for example, you select this, hold row and click detail. Observe each and everything. Okay. So control account assignment. So material is possible for a standard PO. Material is possible. Okay. Material sometime not allowed. Let's say for we talk about service PO. We don't give material number, right? Instead of that, we just give the description of the material, right? And the additional account assignment is possible. Okay, inventory management also possible. Control GR PO item link. Okay, so if PO is there, then GR is there, right? So GR indicator form changeable in PO. Okay, we can change in PO. GR valuation, GR non-validated and GR non-validated form. Control invoice, invoice receipt is there. PO item linked. IR changeable in PO. These are the things we can observe it. Just okay, observe. Go back and let's say about consignment. Click detail button. Okay. Material required mandatory. Here for consignment, I told no. Consignment material is mandatory, right? That's why it is required, mandatory. It is not. It is not showing as possible. It is not showing as not enough. Understand? Because whenever if we talk about consignment, we create consignment material by selecting MRP2 view, special procurement, right? external procurement. That is mandatory. And info record is mandatory, right? So when we create info record, then we are creating info record with a combination of vendor, material, and plant, right? That's why these are the just observation. Okay, just go through it. Similarly, you can see in subcontracting also, it will be mandatory. It is possible subcontracting. Okay, additional account assignment. These are the things we can observe. Okay, now so we cannot create a new item category which are not possible to edit item category control functions. If required, we can edit item category text and item category external symbols only. One thing it is sure, you cannot configure your own account assignment item category. Okay, we, if possible, we can only change the text for item. No, if it is limit means you can take anything. If consignment vehicle, you can take anything. Okay, like your consignment process, you can write or subcontracting process. Okay, just you can change the text, but these are terms are fixed. You cannot change this. One thing understood, na? That's why I've given in my notes. UV cannot create a new item category which are not possible to edit item category control functions. If required, we can edit item category text and item category external symbols only. Yeah, sorry, we can change this external also symbol. If it is S, you can put Z, whatever it is. Okay, symbols. But this we cannot change. Okay, so like this is this symbols we can change external symbols. We can edit item category text and item category symbols only. Now we talk about the purchase requisition. So we know how to create the purchase requisition. Okay, what is the T code? ME51N, right? So let's go to ME51N. Now we are going in detail. Okay, we know how to create, but you know what is the source determination. Okay, uh, and inside what are the things, you know, and how to give the number ranges for purchase requisition. This all we are covering here. Okay. So T code. It is a request to a purchaser to procure material or services from external vendor or from internal plant. PR can be created manually by user or it can be created automatically via MRP or APO or SD or via PM plant maintenance or through batch job also. Purchase requisition, right? Purchase means that PR will get converted to PO. Okay, that is another scenario. So here we should know these all things, you know, like it can be created manually. If any user is creating manually, then he will directly go to ME51N and he will create the PR. Okay, or else if we do MRP settings, then what will happen? Based upon the no like minimum order value, minimum quantity, whatever you have done the settings. Okay, based upon that, the system automatically it will search in the background, like how many in the warehouse, you know, we have given some minimum reorder point level, right? You know, if it is less than 100, then directly the PR should get converted, the created automatically without manual intervention. Okay, that is we have done, right? MRP we have finished, right? Okay. MRP. I'll show you after this class. Okay, how to do the settings or what is MRP. Okay, we'll learn that. Yeah. So now PR customization, purchase requisition. So number ranges. How you will customize the PR? You know, like normal PR, if we create, then you know it will show some 100, right? Some number ranges will be there. Now let's create our own number ranges. Okay. So how to customize number ranges for PR? Okay. So go to SPRO, SAP Reference RMG, Materials Management. Okay. Purchasing, purchase requisition. Okay. Define number ranges. Okay. And this is what. And the T code is OM-7. You can even see here, as I told you, the last 4 digit will be your T code, right? How to check that? Go to additional info, display key, IMG activity. Okay. So the last 4 digit will be this one. Okay. So here, let me expand this. Okay. So define number ranges. OM-Y7 is there, but I think this OM-Y7, as I told you, 80% of the T codes are working. 20%. So what we need to do, just to open a new session, OM-Y7, right? Let me check whether this is working or not. See, this is not working. That's what I told you, no? 80% of the T codes are working, but the T code is OM-H7. So this is wrong. Okay. Document type OMEB, this is okay. I think, yeah, OMEB is working. OMEB. So like this you can check. Yeah, this is also not working. Okay. So as I told you, screen layout at document level, OMF2. So for every document type, in PO, either in PO or material master or vendor master, defined screen layout or document level is there. What is this actually work? Like, we can make this as, like, for example, I'm taking this framework order, let's say PO and BB, right? Click this detail button, basic data. So this is screen layout at document level means we can control, like which field to be made as mandatory, right? Required this we can, yeah, we can control here. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so here define number and this. I'm going here. What is that code? OM H7. Okay. Click this interval. Okay. So here already number ranges are there. See here the current number. What is going on? 1001358, right? If I create another PR, it will be 583. Let me create one new PR. Current status that will be showing there. MA51N P4. Let's say I'm creating a normal PR. Okay. So I'm giving here material based upon plant. So plant material by description. Okay. So I can go with the plant. Okay. 3000. We have created so many materials here, right? So let me check. 1489. Bushing. Someone has created this, right? 1489 we have created, huh? Yes. Where it is? 1489. Rubber. Okay. No issue. Okay. So here see quantity. Let's say I'm taking this 10 and plant is 3000. Okay. Storage location 0001. Purchase group 000. Okay. Click enter. It will take you to valuation price. Okay. Let's say 10. Now I'm saving this. So the number in this will be this one. See 1001353. Here we have seen here it was showing 582. Now if I refresh, the next number we will be getting. This is what. So till one this much in this in between this, a PR we can create. Okay. Yeah, like this. Okay. Now if I check again, it will be showing here. Okay. After updating, it will be coming here 3. So this is what. So here already number range is available here in real time also. As per the business requirement, we can define a new number ranges also. Suppose for service PR or for MRP generated PR or third party PR, if different number range series are required, then define a new number ranges here and later assign these number ranges to required document type. Okay. So let's say for example, what we do is we try to create our own interval. Okay. So this is 3 4. So we can take 5 series, right? Yes. We can take 5 and again then 50999. Okay. Let's say I'm creating one. I'll put here Z4 from number. So I'm giving here. So we need to check here. Otherwise, what will happen? It won't take. Okay. So it will overlapping error will be there. So here I'm taking after this, I'm taking this 5. Then here I'm putting here 5. No. Okay. I have taken this. Okay, I'm just showing one example for you. So this Z4 I have taken. Now I'm saving this. I have given this number. Okay. Now I'm going to define screen layout at document level. Go back, and here I'm selecting NBV. Let's say for example for NBV purchase requisition. I'm going here. Okay. Go to detail button. In real time also field selection already exists. As per the business requirement, we can define a new field selection field also. Suppose for a particular process PR, say for service PR or for third party PR or for subcontracting, we can give this field selection different also. Okay. And later we assign this field selection to a required document type. So I'm selecting this all and I'm just clicking this copy as okay button. Now this YBB and BB I'll put this YBB or ZBB. Okay, I'm giving this and YBB. Click enter. Okay, don't make any changes there. Plus all signs are there now. Let it be like that only. Click continue and save it. I'm saving this YBB. Okay, now select this whole YBB and click detail button and click field selection group. Okay, so which field I need to make as a required hide. Okay, mandatory. Let's say like in basic data we can see many fields. Plant is required, right? You cannot make it as optional or display. Item category is optional. Okay, so as per the business requirement, this is page of pay on. You can see material description, material group. Okay, which field to be made as mandatory required, you can do this. Similarly, you go to supplying plan and check supplying plant is there. This is for basically for STO process, stock transport order, quantity and price. Okay, order quantity, these all things you can make is made as required optional display, right? And here GRIR control, these things you can see this all here. Page up and down, if anything else is there like this you can check. Okay, administrative data, we have release field, promotion, deletion indicator, revision level, enjoy fields. Okay, document type, blocking indicator, material, these are the things we can see this. Okay, now again I'm going to define document types. Okay, so go back. So here define document type is there. Okay, so whatever we have created, like a number we have created Z4, right? And uh, field selection ZBB. So now what I will do here, I'm selecting this NB, right, for a normal this thing. PR. NB is the standard document type, right? So now what I'm doing is I'm creating my own. NB is there, right? Instead of NB, I will take ZBB. Go to new entries, okay, or else you can copy as also. You can copy as also. So what I'm doing is I'm going here. I'm giving here ZBB. Okay, document type description. I'm giving a material PRs. Material PRs. Item interval. I will show you why in PO also why line item 10, line item 20, line item 30 will be coming. Right? We have seen, right? Line item 10, 20, 30 numbers will be coming, right? Here, let's say in PO we have seen already ME23, and let's say in one PO or PR. So this 10 is there. If I take another material, line item 20 will be there. So why this 10 difference is there? And is it really required or not in real time? That is the question, right? Yeah. If you, for example, if you select here this wait is yeah here it is also. If you select here item interval as 2, then the next line item will be 4. Yes. Then again next line item will be 6
6.
like that. If you give here 3, then next will be 6,
6.
9 like that. If you give 10 here, next will be 20. If you give 20 first, it will be 40,
40.
60, 80 like that. Okay. So in real time, what happened? When I was working for Nakumeto Rail, so there one user was raised a ticket stating that he want to one material which was in last column, in last line item. He want that material in second line item itself.
Okay.
That is his query. He raised the ticket. So how you will do? I will show you. See here, this is very important. I'm just trying to show you. So let's say for example, I will create a PR already. Yeah, okay. So this is the PR, right? Already it is there. Let's say for example, I am going here. This is my PR, right? Edit. Okay. I am giving another material. Any other material is there? Let's say I'll take anything hose. Okay. And here 20,000. This is very small thing, but it's very helpful and it is very, it is very important for us to understand why this, item intervals, like item, yeah, intervals we are giving here. Okay. So I'll show you. Let's say another line item I'm creating. I'm taking another number actuation. Let's say this is 30. This is the PR I've created. Okay. So now what he's saying is his actual query is this actuation he want in second line here.
Okay.
Push. How you'll do? Go here. Okay. Now what you do? No, see here. I'm showing you how you do. So I got one ticket stating that, see, in real time they will take many line items. We are here for practicing purpose. We are just creating 2 or 3 line items, but in real time you will be having 20, 40, 100 also line items will be there. I've seen many, such kind of things, in real time, where the PR and PO, so many line items, crores of rupees, they create the PO. So here, let's say the user is saying this actuation he need in first line after this rubber, before rubber. How you will go do this actuation? Let's say it is 10, right? 10 means I can give here 01 or 02. I'll give 01. Hmm? And I'll put the same number. Okay. Putting this 30. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll delete this. Okay. Now what will happen? Just click enter and save it. Yeah. Again you go to PR again. Now see, why it has not taken you? Yeah, see here. This came up.
Okay. So the serial number.
So you can view 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9 also. You can view that. So this is going up. This type of tickets will also come in real time. Try to understand. You understand? Yeah,
If he gives 0 to then
it will, no, no. See, till 0 to 9 here, till 0 to 9 it will be first line item.
okay.
10, 20, 30 is there, no? So before 10, you need to give the number. If you give 9 also, it will be in first line item.
So serial number. Serial number change
Serial
करते ही
number.
automatically
Ah.
it be segregated ascending to descending.
Yeah. Suppose if the user is saying, I want this actuation in middle, in between 10 and 20. Now you tell me how you'll do. Yeah, Yunus, tell me. Yeah, you,
12,
Gupta,
13,
Gupta, you tell me.
18. We can give 11
Yeah.
to 10 to 11 to 19.
You can give 11 to 19, okay?
11 to 19.
11 to 19. Okay, so this, let's say rubber, okay? He want this rubber in between 20 to, yeah, in between 10 to 20. He want actuation, okay? In between 10 to 20. Then what he will do, go here. It should be in edit mode, not in display mode, okay? This is edit. So now 11 I will give, or 12 or 13 or let it be 19 also.
18.
This is the same number. What this no same 200. Okay, 30.
We can delete.
Yeah, I'm not deleting now. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Now I'm saving this. Purchase equation change. See here. So no need of deleting. Directly it will come there. Understand? So here, see here, it is coming in middle. Okay.
We have to delete that.
Yeah, okay, you can delete now also. नीचे का कहाँ है? नीचे का डिलीट है वो एक्चुएशन
जो बनेगा
नहीं एक्चुएशन वो हम डिलीट नहीं करे आ गया ऊपर इट केम डायरेक्टली up without deleting. You understand? Without deleting also it came up. This is all. Okay, so we need to understand this. So normally, usually in real time also they will keep 10. So that 10 materials you can include in between middle. Okay, that is what it is item interval. You need to understand this. Okay, item interval. So now number range interval. So here number range interval which we have created. What is that? Z4. Just now we have created, right? Z4. So this number ranges will be coming into picture. Okay. So field selection is also there. So here if I go field selection, right? So what we have created? ZBB, right? YBB. I'm selecting this. Okay. Click enter and save it. If you want to change, let's say, for example, I'm putting this file. Okay, we'll see practically what will happen. So in middle, I can include how much? 4, only 4, right? Yeah, 4 materials I can include in between. Okay, yeah. Now I need to select this whole line item and which item category I need. Click this allowed item categories. Now I need to include what are the item categories I need. Okay, as per the business requirement. Okay, so go to new entries or else directly you can just select NB copy as so that it will include everything here. But we have directly clicked a new entry, that's why nothing is coming there. Okay, so now as per the business requirement, you also need standard. Okay, click this. Okay, standard one, and you also need consignment. Okay, you click this. As per the business requirement, this will be coming in your new document type, which is nothing but uh, whatever we have created. ZBB, right? That is our new document type. So if you want subcontracting, select this. Okay. Sometime the client will say, I don't need this limit. Okay. I don't need this text. So you can remove. If you want a stock transfer, you take this. Okay. If you want service, you take this. Whatever you need, you just include this all. Click enter. save it. Okay, save it like this. Back to MG. Now processing time. We need to understand what is this. Purchasing processing time in days. So here by default it will be 1 day only. Okay, if you want 2 days, you can make it here. Number of working days required to process or convert PR into PO. Number of working days required to process or convert purchase requisition into purchase order in purchasing department is known as purchasing processing time. Okay, so usually by default it will be one only. Okay, now let's see, we will try to create the purchase requisition and check whether our number ranges and document type ZPB is working properly or not, and whatever item categories we have selected that is coming or not. Okay, we'll see here. Now let me create another purchase requisition with MA51 and T code. Okay, so this is the one, and so we need to select our own document type. What is this? ZPB, right? Material PRs. We have created this. Again, I'm saying in purchasing document type controls what? Gupta. If the interview will ask, then what will be your answer? Purchasing document type controls what? Number ranges, field selection, field selection. Which item category to be allowed or not? Just now we have seen item category consignment, subcontracting, standard, okay, use, stock transport, D service. This is also controlled by document type. Let's say for example, if I take this here document type UB, then what will happen? Only item category I can say is U, stock transfer. So that is also controlled by item interval is also controlled by document type. This thing you need to understand. Okay, so here I am selecting this material PRs. Okay, let's say I am creating. So here my item interval will be here, not starting with 10. It will start with 5 because there we have given 5. Okay, and here item category, whatever we have selected, that is also coming. That only is coming here. We have not selected all, right?
Yes.
Whatever is there, we have selected there, that is coming. So this is this, yeah, as per the client. Yeah. Okay. Now, what is the number? 1489. Okay. I'm taking this quantity. Let's say 10. Plant to 3000. Store location 0001. Okay. Purchase group 000. Enter. Valuation will be something. Price. Okay. Click enter and save it. So now, what will be our series?
1 to 4.
No,
Five
no.
lakhs.
Number ranges. Number ranges.
5 lakhs.
It start with 5.
5 lakhs.
That is what observation. This is what the testing scenario see here. If I create another PR, then it will go to 5001, 5 lakh 2, 3 like that.
1.
Okay. Yeah. This now it's working fine, right? Any doubt till now? Anyone? Okay. Good. Now we need to understand what is the source determination. Okay. Now let's come into picture. Like we have already configured the number ranges. Like they may ask interview how you'll configure number ranges for PR. Either you tell the menu path or T code. What is the T code? OM H7. Okay. Or else tell the menu path. That is also fine. Now we are coming into picture, like we are learning in detail what is the source determination inside view, whatever these things are there. Now we'll learn in detail. Okay, so here source determination is there. If I select this source determination, then what will happen? If we set this indicator, system will determine sources of vendors from all items from quota arrangement, source list to contract info record. Okay, it will search. And now coming to account assignment category. So we have account assignment category also. So we have third party SA, so many account assignment categories. So what actually it is, it will specify to which consumption GL account, general ledger account material value has to be posted. Here, if line item is required for consumption purpose, then only enter account assignment category. Okay, if it is consumed to cost center, let's say this is consumption purpose, right? This material is consuming to a particular cost center. What is cost center? It may be any department.
Yeah.
Cost center is purchasing department. It may be sales department. It may be accounting department. It may be even cafeteria. Cafeteria is also one of what do you call cost center. Okay, it is consuming where the stock is going to consume. Okay, yeah. Now, how you will customize account assignment category? So, what is the T code OME9 to customize account assignment category? Okay. So, this is the account assignment category. How to configure? So, let me show you. So, here already we are. Let me close this. Okay. So, how to customize account assignment category SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay. Materials management, purchasing. Okay. Purchasing account assignment. Account assignment. Okay. Maintain account assignment category. So OME9 is the transaction code. OME9. So let's see whether that is there or not. Last four digit, right? Will be our T code, right? MG activity. So I'm expanding this. See OME9. This is working, right? OME9 is working. So here account assignment category. I'm going here. So here see account assignment category. We have third party asset. Okay. Yeah. So now enter the below details. Like we have this all purchase equation. So let's say for standard, it will be nothing, right? Now enter the below details and line item purchase requisition as follows. Okay, so item category is there, and this is the control functions. In real time also, account assignment category already exists. We can define a new account assignment category also. Select any one account assignment category, say third party, and click detail button. Okay, so here we can see. Let's say for example, this just observe it. Okay. Account assignment changeable. It can be changed. Okay. Account assignment changeable at invoice receipt. Okay. For this third party. Account modification will be VAX. VX. Consumption posting is V. You can see in detail what is this V. Consumption purpose. Okay. So these all you can see here. Field. Field label. So here hidden. Asset will be hidden by default. Asset sub number is optional entry. These things we can observe. If you talk about cost center, particular cost center, just tell the detail button, you can just observe this. Okay. GR, goods receipt is there. GR non weighted. IR, GR and IR is there. Okay. And here consumption posting is V. Account modification, right? Offsetting entry, we have seen this VBR, right? Distribution partial invoices to. So what is this to? This is coming by default. Apportion higher quantities to GR. Apportion higher quantity to GR quantity after this. We can see this one. What is this one? After another, like this. You can see this distribution. Go back. You can see each and every account assignment category and go to detail button. You will be understanding this all things. So by default it will be same. So don't make any changes. Okay. So this also we can customize as per the business requirement whatever we need. Okay. So here why this is coming. Account assignment category. It includes this is the cost center, consumption purpose, project. Uh, it may be sales order, like order or project cost center, and if PP is involving, then project will be there. Yeah, project for any particular project. U means unknown. Okay. K mostly K they will use particular cost center. Okay. So this is what it is. Account assignment, how to customize this we have seen. Okay. Now go to our PR part. Where it is? This one. Yeah. Account assignment category, how to customize that I have shown you. OME9 is the T code. So whatever we need, we can take. Okay, as per the business requirement. Okay. Now item category also we have seen, right? in PR item category we have seen, and whatever item category we have selected there, this is coming, right? If it is consignment, we take K. This. It differs whether the material is for standard or standard purchase equation or consignment PR or subcontracting PR or third party PR. Okay. So now enter the below detail line item purchase equation as follows, like already we have seen this, right? Already we have entered. Yeah, we have entered already. So let me go here. We have created already, right? This one. So here we need to give the material. Okay. Short description will be coming by default, and quantity we need to give material group plant. Okay. A requested or requisitioner is there. What is this? Who is requesting this PR? You need to give the name. You can give the name also. Who is requesting this? Okay. Let's say Gupta. Gupta is requesting this. Requested by. Okay. In item data, now we see this in item data of PR. It is starting with material data, right? So this is the material data. Let me go with material data. This is line item 10. Only line item. If it is line item 20, then you will need to click this. It will come to line item 20, right? Similarly, line item 30, we can see each line item. Okay. So material data. So this material data is coming. In material data, it will be showing the material number. If any batch is there, batch means batch management. We learned already, right? How to create a batch master record? MSC1N is the T code. You people, I think you people are not practicing. That's the reason. Yeah. You people are practicing. Then you would have told me, the T code is MSC1N. As I told you, batch master record, without creating the batch master also, we can create the PR, right? In PR, I've shown you that option also. Okay. Yeah. So if any batch number is there, that will be coming here. Okay. And material group. So at the time of creating the material, we have selected. So whatever we have selected there, chemical, right? How this is coming? Let's say I'm showing you this. Double click this, it will redirect you to MM03 display material. Understand? This is MM03. You can even see here. See. So at the time of creating material, we have taken this, we have selected this material group. This is coming by default there in PR. Okay? You need to understand these all things, okay? How this is coming, why this is coming. Because we are training the end users, right? The end users will ask you the question, how this is coming. You should be in such a position, you should understand this all. This is obviously the short text in material master, whatever is there, that will be coming here, okay? Vendor material, we have not selected anything, that's why this is blank. And quantity is date is there. So quantity, whatever we have given, that quantity will be coming here, okay? Quantity ordered, delivery date. If nothing is there, the system will pick the today's date, current date, right? Request date, release date, okay? Plan delivery time, GR processing time, open quantity, what is the close and what is fixed. These things we need to understand. Closed. If we select this indicator, the system will not expect further PO, even though PR item is having open quantity. If I say this close, then system will not expect. What will happen? PR will convert it to PO. PR will be converting to PO, right?
Yes.
But if I select this close, what will happen? System think this is close PR. So this PR will not convert it to PO. Understand? If we set this indicator, then system will not expect further PO, even though PR item is having open quantity. Open quantity means this is the quantity, but it is not converting to PO. What is this fixed ID? If I select this, what will happen? If any changes are done for MRP generated PR item, material requirement planning, then this indicator will be selected automatically by the system. Okay, as an information to us that somebody did the changes for this MRP PR item. Okay, for that you need to just follow this example. You do this practice. You will understanding this one. Okay. Yeah. So evaluation will continue tomorrow. Okay. So evaluation, what are the fields are there? Will stop the class. Okay. We'll continue tomorrow. This is the part one. Part two will continue tomorrow. Okay. Any question? till now?
No.
Okay. Okay, I'm stopping the class.